Hi guys, we're doing the cat series episodes, and for this one, this is the first season, first episode, so we'll just be introducing our characters. So, this is
Darkness
and Dawn, and we'll be introducing Dawn first. So
two of our main characters.
Our the twins that started it all. And this is Dawn, my main character, and she is a a strong, confident woman that has powers, that has sun powers, and she has 6 children. Wait. Yeah, she has 6 children and a husband, and then now you can introduce her.
This is Darkness, mostly my main character. She's the ruler of the Dark Kingdom, and she has dark powers. She has 4 kids, and they're all girls, and you'll get to meet them. And yeah, that's all I'm going to say about her for now. We'll get to powers a little bit later, right?
Yeah.
Well,
yeah. Certain
so do you want to go on to the next ones? Like the other?
Yeah.
They're just going to go somewhere.
And then
these are
you get to go first for this one.
So this is Darkness's husband, Mike.
And then this is Dawn's husband, Fireheart.
Mike is a milk cat. He's from a milk farm.
Wait. There's something we have to do. When we're finished introducing them, we bring our main characters up to our cameras. So this is Dawn up close.
This is Darkness up close. She is. Yeah.
Okay, and now we can move on.
So he's from the milk farm. The way he met Darkness was Darkness was going on a trip, and she kind of bumped into him when he bumped into her, and they were best friends by then, so they got married.
And then Fireheart, he's been best friends with Dawn ever since they were like 4. And he's just always been there for her, and she's been always there for him, and they went to all their schools together. They always spend their summer vacations doing stuff together mostly. And then when they became older, they in around high school, they just started dating, and now they're married and have 6 beautiful kids. I want to say 4 of them are girls and 2 of them are boys. Yes. Okay, that's correct.
This is them. Not close.
No, you do yours. Then I.
Well, you already had them, showing my camera. Hey!
Well, you already done it! Okay. So then, move on to the next characters. So, the oldest children. The next characters will be the oldest children, and that's what I did with Dawn. Okay. This is Ocean, and she is Dawn's oldest daughter at the age of 15. Wait, we need to say Darkness. You need to say Darkness and Mike's name, and I need to say Fireheart and Dawn's name. I mean age. So, Fireheart and Dawn are both 35.
Darkness is 35 because Dawn's 35.
Dawn's the twin.
And her husband is 36. So.
Okay.
This is Angel.
Wait.
Oh.
And so they're 35 because she's 15, and Dawn and Fireheart had her when they were both 20, so 15 years later she's 15, and that would be 35.
This is Angel. Her real name is Syracuse. No.
I thought you said it was Sophia. Okay.
Syracuse. She has a boyfriend. At least I could say she has a boyfriend.
Sort of.
And she's a Shadow Knight. She's actually the queen now of Shadow Knights. And we'll talk about powers later.
Yeah. So then you introduce the triplets, and I introduce.
But we have to give.
Oh yeah, and this is Ocean's.
Angel's 13.
This is Ocean's best friend.
Angel's 13.
And then she's 15. And then Angel. This is.
Angel's actually
Ocean's
14.
Best
Angel's
friend.
14.
He's 15.
That's Angel.
And then okay, so you introduce your next ones. I introduce my next ones.
So small.
So I've got a 13-year-old, and she's got 3 2-year-old triplets.
So these are the 3 triplets. They're all 2. They're gonna turn 3. A couple more. This is Sarah. Salem is right here, and this is Neko.
No, their names all start with S's. Remember?
Oh yeah,
Sarah, Salem, and Scarlet.
Scarlet. Neko from another time.
Yeah.
From this game that we already played. So they are Darkness's kits, and they're all triplets, like we said. So they're adorable. They're Angel's younger sisters, and she gave it to us. So that's all I have to say.
Mm-hmm. And then Snowpaw. Wait, no, it's Cloudpaw. Cloudpaw, that's right. Cloudpaw, age of 13. Dawn and Fireheart's son, they had him at. Well, he's 2 years. So they had him at 22. And yeah. That's all I have to say about him. Okay, and then we're moving on.
Well, we have to give him a close look.
Oh, right.
I'll do. Yeah, this is Sarah.
You do one at a time. And then I
Salem.
have a couple more to introduce. So I'm just going to introduce the rest of their kids at the same time because we don't have much time left. Because all of our episodes must remain
10
at
minutes. Or, no,
12 minutes.
12.
So I'm just going to start doing the rest of their kits at the same time. So just introduce them real quick.
Okay.
And I'll do all the kits.
This is Angel's husband's dad, and he is in a,
You just said that was Angel's husband's dad.
This is Darkness's husband's dad.
So Angel's grandpa.
Angel's grandpa, and he's a little sick.
And his wife just died like 2 weeks ago.
He is dying too because he has this heart disease, and not that much to show.
And then I'm just going to introduce all the kits at the same time from oldest to youngest. So I need to line them all up. And yeah. Oh, and no, we'll do her with her number. And then, so this is Sailor Moon, Dawn's second daughter, and yeah, so this is Sailor Moon, Dawn's second daughter, and she is 10. And Sailor Moon. And then this is Midnight, and she is 8. And then this is Sun, and he is 4. Oh yeah, and this is Midnight's best friend. It was a spirit of a girl who died, and she got trapped in a bead that was then put in the mirror of the 3 sisters, which is these 3, Ocean, Sailor, and Midnight. And this is the mirror. And Amy had to leave us for a second, so that's them. And then this is Sun, which is Dawn's youngest son, and this is his pet bird Tweety, and This is her youngest daughter that was just born like 2 days ago, Blue Star, that was named after all of their saviors.
Mhm.
The savior of them all, because if it weren't for her, none of them would be alive right now. So then, let's move on. Then, yeah. These are twins, and they are
The two oldest.
the two oldest sisters of
Darkness and
Dawn. So these are their twin older sisters, and then Darkness and Dawn are twins too, so what do you know it? Their parents have 2 sets of twins.
Or technically.
They have 4 children, 2 sets of twins.
So this is Flower. She is like she's a dark, like she's technically like darkness too.
Yeah. And she seems really nice and flowery and good and stuff because her name is Flower and the way she looks and stuff. But really, once you get to know her, she's not that kind of girl, and she's really just...
She's like darkness.
Yeah, she's dark. Very dark.
She can only be nice at certain times she wants to. If you watch Bleach, you'll see that Ichigo's just like her sometimes.
Oh, shut up. Yeah, but I love him anyway, so... No, I'm not.
Yeah.
Ichigo's not a real person, and he's like 16, so...
Don't say about Ichigo.
Shut up. I was just kidding, but whatever.
Yeah.
We're not talking about Bleach, we're talking about cats.
Yeah.
And you better hurry.
I just did.
So that's them, and then this is their older sister. Her name is, I need to remember her name. It's Serena. And then these are her son and daughter, Brackenfur and Selena. And then these are the 3 triplet guards. These are the 3, you can move around. These are the 3 triplet guards, and they are actually Fireheart's, they are actually, this one's Flame, this one's Flamette, and this is their little brother, Fire, no, not Fire, I forgot his name. It was, Bernan, right. And then, yeah, so that's the 3 triplets. And then this is one of Blue Star's kids, her daughter that survived, sadly. Moss Kid did not. And her name is Mistyfoot. And this is her husband. And then these are the 2 nurses. They are sisters. This one is older, this one is younger. And their names are, oh no, her name is not so... This is Shine. And then, her name is, Kagadi, and her name is Karina Lynn. I always forget how to say it. Karina Lynn. And that's all our characters, so, bye!